Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson linear equations in one variable, isn't it? Now worksheet 1, 17th question. It's x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to x by 4 plus 1 by 2. So take all x to the left hand side. So rearrange x by 2 minus x by 3. Now this you have to take it to the left side. It becomes minus x by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now here it will be 2, 3 and 4. What is the LCM? It is 12. 2, 6 are 12. 6 into x is 6x minus 3 4s are 12. 4 into x 4x minus 4 3s are 12. 3 into x 3x is equal to 1 by 2. Now here 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Means it will be minus x upon 12 is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2 or minus x. Okay, minus x is equal to 1 by 2. 12 goes to the numerator. So 2 1s are 2 6 are. So minus x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to minus 6. Is it clear? Minus x is equal to 6. So x will be minus 6. Hope everyone understood. Now coming to the check. LHS x by 2 minus x by 3. Put the values minus 6 by 2 minus 6 by 3. Minus 6 by 2 will be minus 3. 2 3s are 6. Now minus within the bracket 3 2s are. It will be minus 2. So it will become minus 3. Minus of minus becomes plus 2. So the answer will be minus 1. Isn't it? Now coming to RHS. X by 4 plus 1 by 2. Now x, how much is it? Minus 6. Isn't it? Minus 6 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Okay, now there is cutting, isn't it? 2 3s are 2 2s are. You got minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now the denominators are same. So it will be minus 3 plus 1. It will become minus 2 by 2. Now same number but sign is minus. So it will be minus 1. So LHS is equal to minus 1. RHS is equal to minus 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verify. Is it clear? Now coming to the 18th sum. Z minus 2z by 3 plus z by 2 is equal to 5. So all z variables are on the left side itself. But here the fraction, isn't it? So we have to take the LCM. Now here it will be 1, isn't it? So it will be LCM is 2 3s are 6. Now here it is 1. Means 1 6 are 6 into 1 6 z. Numerator will be 6z minus 3 2s are 6. 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4. 3 2s are 2 2s are 4z plus 2 3s are 6. 3 into z will be 3z is equal to 5. Now 6 minus 4, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. So it will be 5z by 6 is equal to 5. So z will be how much? 5 into this will, when it goes to the right side, 6 will go to the numerator and 5 will come to the denominator. 5 gets cancelled. So z is equal to 6. Is it clear? Now the check. LHS z minus 2z upon 3 plus z upon 2. Okay, z, how much is it? It's 6 minus, now bracket open, 2 into z is 6 upon 3. Are you understanding? Plus, here again it is a z is 6 by 2. Now 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So here it will be 6 minus 2 2s are how much? 4 plus here you got 2 1s are 2 3s are 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So LHS you got 5. RHS already it is given 5. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood these two sums, 17 and 18. Okay. Now coming to the 19th sum. It is 6y plus 1 by 2 plus 1. See, this plus 1, here it is. Then is equal to 7y minus 3 upon 3. In the example also you have seen like this type of a sum. So convert this with the taking the LCM. So 2, take the LCM. This one will be as it is 6y plus 1. Because denominator is 2, LCM is also 2. So the numerator will be as it is. Now plus 1 means what? 2 by 2. 1 means whatever the LCM, that one only you will be writing in the numerator, isn't it? So 1 means 2 by 2. Okay, now it is 7 by minus 3 by 3. Okay, now it will be 6y. This one will be 1 plus 2 is 3 by 2 is equal to 7y minus 3 by 3. Okay, now on both the sides there is a numerator denominator. So what is the method? It is a cross multiplication. So multiply these two and these two. So it is 3 bracket 6y plus 3 is equal to 2 bracket open 2 into 7y minus 3. Now here it is a 3 6 are 18y plus 3 3s are 9, 2 7s are 14y minus 2 3s are 6. Now 18y take this to the left side, minus 14y. Now minus 6, this when it goes to the right side, it will be minus 9. So 18 minus 14 will be 4y is equal to minus minus minus, but you have to add. So 6 and 9, it will be 15. So y is equal to minus 15 by 4. So when you go further, the difficulty level, it goes on increasing, isn't it? The earlier sums will be easy, and the later on the sums will be little bit difficult. So you have to take care. Now you got the answer in a fraction. Okay, now coming to the check. It is LHS. What is it? 6y plus 1 by 2 plus 1. This one, put it bigger one, okay. Now, within the bracket, 6 into y is minus 15 by 4 plus 1 upon 2 again plus 1. See the way it is to be written. Now, this 2 2s are 2 3s are. Now, here it became how much? Plus minus minus 15 3s are 45 plus 45 by 2, isn't it? Denominator is 2. Now, here it will be plus 1, isn't it? 45 by 2 plus 1 upon this 2. Are you understanding? So, minus 42 by 2 plus 1, वो न्यूमरेटर का और डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है, और ये बड़ा वाला plus 1. Okay? Now, you have to write, it is ये न्यूमरेटर का LCM ले लो. It is 2 minus 45 will be as it is. Now 1 का मतलब क्या है? न्यूमरेटर will be 2. ये न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर वाला बड़ा वाला लाइन डालो 2 plus 1. So this one will be minus 43, isn't it? Minus 43 by 2 and divide by 2 मतलब क्या है? Multiplied by 1 by 2. So ये full अभी क्या बना? Minus 43 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So अभी कितना आया? Minus 43 by 4 है ना? 2 2s are 4 plus 1. That means 4 LCM minus 43 plus 4 is equal to minus 43 plus 4 will be minus 39 by 4. So ये क्या आया? LHS का. अभी RHS फिर से है. So RHS will be 7y minus 3 by 3. Again within the bracket 7 into, answer is minus 15 by 4 minus 3 by 3. Now there is no cutting. Cutting है? नहीं है ना? So 15 7s are 105. It is minus 105 by, इधर कितना आएगा? minus 10 by 5 by 4. अब ये minus 3 और ये वाला डिनोमिनेटर में 3. अभी ये न्यूमरेटर का सॉल्व करो एलसीएम लेकर फिर से. 4 ये न्यूमरेटर में minus 105 ही रहेगा. 3 का मतलब क्या है? 3 means it is denominator is 1. 1 4 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, है ना। 1 4 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12। सो ये न्यूमरेटर का हो गया। अभी बड़ा लाइन डालो, फिर 3। अभी इधर न्यूमरेटर में कितना आया, माइनस माइनस सेम साइन है तो ऐड करने का। -5 + 2 is 7. Now 0 + 1 is 1 and 1/4. अभी डिवाइड बाई 3। डिवाइड बाई 3 का मतलब क्या है, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1/3, है ना। मल्टीप्लाई द रेसिप्रोकल। समझ में आ रहा है सबको। नाउ 3 and 1 1 7, 7 8 9, मतलब 3 से जाएगा। 3 1 जा 3, 3 जा 9, 10 11, 2 remains, 2 and 7 27, 3 9 जा 27. So how much you got, -39/4. सेम है, LHS is equal to RHS. Hope everyone understood. So this is the sum, this is LHS, this is RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. थोड़ा टफ है लेकिन संभल के करने का, ठीक है। द न्यूमरेटर में एक फ्रैक्शन रहेगा, फिर डिनोमिनेटर में एक नंबर, तो उसको थोड़ा संभल संभल के करते जाओ। ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द 20th sum. It is 6x/2, 6x minus 2/5 is equal to 2x minus 1/3 minus 1/3. ओके, नाउ पहले इसको ठीक करेंगे। 6x minus 2/5 is equal to, इधर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों का 3 है तो इट विल बी 3 लेंगे तो 2x minus 1 और ये बनेगा -1, है ना। एलसीएम लेंगे तो सेम है, तो डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, इसके लिए मैं फिर से लिखी। सो इट इज 6x minus 2/5 is equal to 2x minus 1 will be -2/3. Now both the sides, numerator denominator is there, then what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. So 3 into the numerator, isn't it, on the left side, and denominator in the on the left hand side is 5. Multiply the numerator of the RHS, 2x minus 2. 3 into this, 5 into the numerator. Okay, 3 6 are 18, x minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 5 2s are 10, x minus 5 2s are 10. Now take x to the same side. So 18x minus 10x is equal to -10. -6, now it will become +6. Now here, how much it will be? 8x, isn't it? Is equal to -10 plus 6 will be -4. So x is equal to -4 upon 8. Remember, -4 upon 8. 4 1s are, 4 2s are. So the answer will be -1/2. This is the value of x. Now check. It is LHS 6x minus 2/5. Okay, 6 into, within the bracket, -1/2 minus 2/5. Understood? 6 into -1/2 minus 2, the whole divided by 5. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So you got here minus 3 minus 2 by 5. Isn't it? So that means minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5 by 5. That means minus 1. So your LHS you got minus 1. Now coming to the RHS. It is 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now 2 into, within the bracket, 2 into minus 1 by 2, x is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 is upon 3, now minus 1 by 3. Now 2 gets cancelled, so it will be minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So here it became minus 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. That means minus 2 minus 1 by 3. Minus 2 minus 1 will be how much? Minus 3 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. It became minus 1. Hope everyone is understanding. The verification part is little bit tough. So take care. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. So this is the sum. This is LHS and RHS. Hope everyone understood the question up to question number 20. Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.